on this computer. Welcome, Dr.
Yes,
Sandeep.
sir.
Welcome, Dr. Sandeep. Would you like to quickly introduce yourself and your trading journey so far?
Yes. I'm Dr. Sandeep, and by profession, I am a doctor. But for last 3 years, I decided to divert my some uh, attention on the trading journey. So 3 years back, actually, I started my trading journey, and in that, initially I joined 2, 3 courses where I got the basic information about the trading, and I started trading. But somehow, someday I win, someday I lose, and that was all for short-term goal actually. And I can say that was the day trading or the swing trading. And right now, actually, I am focusing on the actual, like a trader. I'm focusing on the long-term trading because I got to know actually the short-term trading is not my goal, and because of that, I diverted the entire attention on the long-term trading.
Very nice. Very
So
nice. Very nice. Thank you so much. What was your main reason for choosing PSMM with coaching with me?
yeah. So when I did my previous courses, in that courses actually I found uh, that I learned a lot. Okay, I learned a lot about the technical analysis. I learned a lot about options, but somehow I was not satisfied because no one was there who can give me the assurance that yes, you go ahead, whatever you are doing, that is right or wrong, or uh, ultimately ultimately mm, I was clueless whether what I am doing. Okay, and because of that, actually, the- whenever I am getting good profit, whether that was a right decision or a bad decision or that was a fluke, so I somehow I was confused, and then actually I realized I need a personal coaching, hand holding, whenever I am taking a big decisions, because whenever you are trading with a small amount, okay, or a very low amount actually in the market, that time uh, you need not, you may not be worried. But whenever you are planning to go with your big capital, that time, that is very important. So that hand holding, as well as some uh, guru's attention on your entire portfolio, on your entire thought process. Actually, I'm not here mentioning about the guidance for my trading, but the actual keen uh, observation, whether which mistakes I am doing, what right things I am doing. And for that, I decided this particular program where Milind sir assured me that he will guide me on all my trading journey, as well as he will guide me on the decisions part, not the tips, or not on the actual trade providing actually, but what are the decisions I am taking, whether that is right or not.
Basically, you were looking at more of coaching and guidance, but not the tips. Yes, thank you. Uh, in terms of the course progress, how much have you completed so far?
Currently, actually, we have first of all, we have completed the first chapter, which is very important.
Mm-hmm.
That is related to your mind management. Uh, because of that, actually, what is my liking, whether I am a long-term trader, short-term trader, what kind of trader I am, that
Mm-hmm.
we have identified. Secondly, we have completed our technical analysis for the long term. And the third, actually, which is very important, which is the mind management, that unless and until you are not doing the meditation, till that time you can't reach up to your own goals. And because of that, you will get the you will be very calm, stable in your trading journey. So that we have completed. And major part, which is the tools for the long term, like CAPM and all, that we have learned.
Very nice, very nice. And what your experiences so far, if you want to point out some specific thing which you really, really liked, or which could be improved.
So first, actually, that is if I am talking about the mind management. In the mind management, I learned a lot about the how. mm, First, we have set our vision. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
because before that, I was clueless, because in my professional life I am very successful, and my vision is completely different than my trading vision. Okay, so whenever I decided to do trading, what is my vision for the trading? Why I am doing this? That we said, and that I like the most, because without the vision, actually, why I am doing. Every day I am coming into the market, every day I am some losing or gaining, but there is no point. So that I learned well. Second point, actually, in the technical analysis, we learned the Webby tunnel and the Ichimoku, and mm, the third part, which
CAPM.
is support and,
Okay,
yeah,
support.
CAPM, which is very important, support resistance, and the CAPM part.
Mm-hmm.
If I am talking about the CAPM, I am very impressed with the results, because in the by using CAPM, actually I realize the very thorough way to invest.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because whenever previously when I was doing the same technical analysis, and through that technical analysis, whatever the entire list I was getting to invest, uh, in that, most of the shares, most of the stocks, actually, that the returns part, I'm talking about the returns part, was very inconsistent. But
Mm-hmm.
since whenever I am started, I started my CAPM tool. From that day, actually, I am getting the very consistent results. Okay, whenever, because initially I am doing the technical analysis, and after that I am putting all the that stocks into the CAPM, that gives me the best result. So the uh, I will take the example. Just few days back, when the Nifty was 2.38% down, that time the my CAPM related entire portfolio was down only by 0.01%.
Wow.
Okay, and now when CAPM is showing 1.38% Nifty is up, that time I am 6.79% I am up. Okay,
Wow.
that
Three
shows me the
times.
good result, and that impressed me. Whatever I am doing is really getting results.
Mm-hmm. Very nice. Three times more than Nifty. You know,
Exactly.
very rarely even mutual funds achieve this kind of results. Mutual fund, most of the best performing mutual funds, you will see maybe doing as good as Nifty or little more, maybe twice. But three times Nifty is really, really mind boggling. Really good. So, what is your confidence now with this? Have you started
I'm very
investing?
confident.
Mhm. Have you started
Yeah, I'm very
investing? How?
confident. I'm very
Mhm.
confident, actually. And though initially, though I have uh, means capital is always with me, but
Mhm.
ultimately I don't have that. Initially, I don't have that courage. And now actually that because of all these results, the CAPM part, the technical analysis part, mind management, now I am very confident and sure that uh, I can take trades and the big
Perfect.
trades. I'm talking about the big trades
Mm-hmm.
actually. And right now, we have created the trading plan because yes, I also forgot one point specifically actually that we started our journey with the trading plan, and every week we modified that based on our knowledge. That was really a good point because right now, after 5 weeks, wherever I started my journey, and after 5 weeks, I am on that level where I can talk about my trading plan. I can talk about all my risks as well as I can what are my expectation of. I can talk about very confidently about that. So ultimately, with this particular entire journey, actually, that gave me the confidence that yes, I can do that. And
Very
right
nice.
now I have started
Very
actually
nice.
uh, entire portfolio management and with
Very
as
nice.
per my trading plan.
Very nice. Very nice. What would be your message to those who have not yet joined this particular program?
Okay. Uh, actually, I will say that whenever we have a knowledge, okay, about the technical analysis, I will say most of the classes they provide the technical analysis knowledge. Okay, and based on that, actually, we start our journey. But after that, even after 3 years, actually, I will give you what happened to me. Okay, that whenever I decided to invest a big money, that time I am not sure because I can manage my small losses, but I can't manage my big losses. Okay, till so far. So before joining this class, so ultimately my advice to those who still not joined this class, if you want to go ahead with your big money, you should join because whenever you will join, you will see the difference that the stability, because in this entire journey, the stability, whenever the trade is going against you, and um, the how to manage that, how to manage the entire trade with the risk management, actually I am talking about, you will get the good knowledge about this because getting out with zero loss is also the win, is also the win. So ultimately, if you want to invest, come in this market with the big money, I will say you join this class. Okay, along with your previous technical knowledge, you can use all these very high-ended tools like CAPM and Webitunnel and everything. You will have the clear-cut understanding about the future of the market as well as about your investment, where it is going. You need not to go every day in front of the screen that what market is doing. Okay, and you will save your time and money. That is my suggestion.
Thank you so much. Anything else you would like to speak?
Yeah. um One more thing I would like to talk about this particular course, that the hand holding.
Mm-hmm.
The hand holding part, which is very important because I have seen most of the classes, whenever the thing comes about the hand holding, they charge very much, very high end. Okay, and ultimately here I have observed that whenever you are in a bad trade or whenever you need help, that time in this particular course you will get immediate help, and I'm getting also that particular help. and I am getting thorough advice about the market as well as my particular trade. So I think that is the additional advantage, because wherever you have to pay very high-ended cost and you are not getting timely help, that is a crucial point. Okay, because market will not wait for you and your advice, but here I have observed I'm getting that particular, that timely help actually. I will say timely help, which is very important. So that is the another thing
Thank
I
you.
want to appreciate.
Yep.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much. Thanks a lot
Thank you.
uh, for these nice words. Uh, and let's continue our course now. Cheers.
Thank you.
I'm
Thank you.
stopping the recording.